Bafethu nibonile iKaizer Chiefs nedlala neKruger United over the weekend. Kula iKaizer Chiefs ishaya iKruger United 3-0. So guys nibonile uDa Cruz nakapheka lapha bafethu. Sishayile iKruger United and guys na into kumele sikhulume ngayo. Ngicela ningitsheleni kahle kahle. Manicabanga ukuthi lapha kuKaizer Chiefs ubani ozoba yiface eKaizer Chiefs ngicela ukuthi ni-engage nami ngoba mina ngicabanga ukuthi umfundo vilakazi kungaba uyi but you guys can tell me ukuthi ngicabangani. Guys, welcome to Omni Audio Africa. We are speaking to Ulerato, your boss lady. Abanye bangibiza Khosi lady. Phuma ukuthi wena ungibiza kanjani bafethu. So guys, you saw over the weekend ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs nedlala neKruger United and it was a nice game bafethu. Didn't expect that for mina. Ninga expecta ukuthi uDa Cruz angasipha igame emnandi kangaka. So yeah, it was well that thing. And then another thing ukuthi iKruger was there. Yadlala but iKruger ngiyabona bafethu isiphumela le kumvela bafethu. There was nothing special about it. So yeah, into guys, if you want to talk to us, sicela ukuthi ni engage nathi kuma platform wethu ku Facebook, ku TikTok and YouTube. Ne guys, ningasifonela inamba ingaba khona la line umdu angayifaka ukuthi sikhona ukuengage sikhulume ngale match le Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi yiziphi into ezimnandi lezi uDa Cruz asiphezona. So guys, here's the thing. For me, I think uDa Cruz was a nice signing for Chiefs. I know ukuthi ngina doubt naye njengoba kade baqeda ukum-appoint because I didn't believe ukuthi ucoach kade ngakhona ukuthi ayenze izinto zenzakala based on the previous things. Nakakhona ku Chiefs nakhumbula njengoba uCedric Kaze nonto ba-coach lapha yana kuyiphathe technical team. So I have ama-doubt ngizibuza ukuthi ke iChiefs yamthatha uDa Cruz yambuyisa ku team whereas we needed a coach. Ucoach ukuthi is qualified ukuthi angascoacha. So but ngathi uDa Cruz uze nganye guys. Uze nganye Saturday sibonile iChiefs nedlala. I saw a beautiful football but now I'm convinced ukuthi iChiefs yenza into right ukuthi basanele uDa Cruz because nesimfuna ucoach ukuthi uzokhona ukuguqula izinto lapha kuKaizer Chiefs. So guys, let's talk. Na yenye into. Into ezingimpressile about what happened. I will start with my players, ne? There are players that stood up for me lapha ku Chiefs and I saw Umfundo, Munyani and Batman, but I will explain why I'm saying that. We are talking about Batman. Last season we have Abo coach, which was Cedric Kaze, no pain yourself. They didn't play Batman a lot. Nabamfaka ngama 5 minutes or so azange athola isikhathi but uDa Cruz make sure ukuthi okay kule season le njengoba bamfakile umfakile uBatman yenza izinto zenzakala. The same thing happened ngomfundo vilakazi. Umfundo vilakazi naye bamfaka ngama 5 minutes sinini ngama 2 minutes but uDa Cruz I believe ukuthi azini ithi ngiphi umfundo vilakazi ngifaka 90 minutes sibona ukuthi uzenza. Those are the players. And then elinye player futhi uVelepai. We saw Velepai was playing kuma pre-season. Stand up for me naye. And another thing into ngithanda uDa Cruz bafethu ulo coach lo obelievela kuma young players. We didn't have that thing last season under Ben Yusuf no Cedric Kaze. But kule season le we have a coach who believe kuma young players uyabadlalisa abaphina 90 minutes sibabona ukuthi bayenza izinto ukuthi zenzeke and we saw that njengoba kade sidlala neKruger United. So you guys ngicela ukuthi ningitshela lapha kuma comment ukuthi what do you think about this thing? Lama player ngikhuluma ngawo, do you think lama player azoba ne impact way forward njengoba sizodlala ama match lawa kule season le yethu? Do you think those players need a chance ukuthi okay asiphe any chance bafethu sibone ukuthi bazosilethela in? So for me I think it's a good thing but now lapho ngangitshela ukuthi wena ucabangani. And then another thing that I was impressed about the coaching, the style of play that we are playing. Last season we were playing but we didn't know ukuthi sidlala liphi ball. We didn't even know the philosophy a team. We didn't have a combination kuyabona lento le. But now ngiyabona ukuthi uDa Cruz uimplementa into entsha kuma players wethu. Combination na there. I-style of play silapho, i-philosophy now uyayibona noma singekho ukuthi which philosophy Chiefs ayisebenzisayo but isikhathi masisiya sizobona asimpheni i-chance ama-game asesemaningi la ku-Betway Premiership. So yeah, another thing that I liked about uDa Cruz, this thing of uku-convert ama-player ne, you saw uFrosler. They converted uFrosler from pre-season. Even though babam convert, I was not happy. We are struggling uFrosler based on defender. Defender akekho good. But ukuya phambili very good. Ama crosses waka right. Akhona uthola abantu boxing. But this thing of convert, I think coach kumele akayibhekisise kahle man ukuthi okay if umuntu ofana no Fosler akakhona ukusisiza defensive yini into okumele ukuthi maybe amtshele yona ukuthi okay lalela ngiyazi ukuthi offensive umnandi but defensive awukho mnandi. These are the things that we supposed to do ukuthi amenze ukuthi abe better player. So yeah, those are the things engizithandile ngoDa Cruz. And then another thing guys, we saw ukuthi uDa Cruz was playing formation yet 4-3-3 ne, whereby we have Infantry yet, we have Silva, we have Batman, we have Vilakazi, which is a good thing because we pressed Kruger United. We pressed Kruger United at the ngale Infantry yethu, so you could see ukuthi Kruger United nengazi ukuthi ngayenzani, so they were confused on the game njengoba le game kade ngibhekile. So yeah, the formation iyasebenza for now. Let's hope ukuthi masizodlala manje this week M1080 you will use the same formation, but I don't know because the cup game says ukuthi ayifani ne Betway Premiership. So those are the things engizithandile ngoDa Cruz. Another thing, there's something I don't think ukuthi ama fan abayibonile ngama players. There was a time Umnyani was outside ne, was wanted to ukuthi athrowe ibhola. Kunala Umnyani nakachika ukwini ukuthi mamela switch on, you're supposed to switch on. So you need that thing for mama players. Lezo zinto lezo communication, we didn't have it last season. We didn't have a player ukuthi khona utshengisa amanye ama player ukuthi mafethu a switch on because kunale skhathi leso ukuthi we were leading 1-0 and then umatch wa drop. Itempo ye game ya drop. And then that's where we'll see abantu abafana bomnyani ukuthi okay guys nyabona ukuthi siya leader but we need that thing ukuthi okay guys let's be on the game. Sekele into ukuthi okay mascore 1-0 kumele si drop match and into futhi uDa Cruz a complain ngayo ku press conference to say you must manage the game. You must manage the game guys, no mani korile, and it leads us ukuthi okay Kruger United score ikorile ikoriso lento ukuthi issues that tendency ukuthi mayiqeda ukora igame vele ephansi baya relax. So those are the things ezinye izinto ukuthi kumele sithi sizilungise bafethu. So yeah, another thing futhi engiyibonile the rotation of the ball. You can see there are some players who okay siyakhona rotate ibhola, amanye ama players they hardly lose the ball compared to last season. Should coach khona into implement to say guys keep the ball as soon as possible mangaphathi kweground guys so that we can play yabo. So ezinye izinto engibona ukuthi uDa Cruz azenzile ezenza ukuthi ama player ethu abe ilento le abe yiyo the time sidlala neKruger United. So guys please ngicela ukuthi ningakhohleni ku-engage nathi umuntu ukhona lapha na guys, sizo read ama comment, you can ask me anything enifuna ukungibuza ngayo based on the topic that I'm speaking about ukuthi what do you think about match with Kaizer Chiefs njengoba bashaye iKruger United 3-0. So guys here's the thing engifuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo. There's a player ne nyazi ukuthi we have number 10 lapha which is umdu ayekho limele. We have Chislet there. So ngifuna sikhuluma indaba ka Chislet. I think some of the fans they don't understand irole ka Chislet ukuthi irole ka Chislet yini. Chislet is playing U10 but in a different way. Why I'm saying that? He's playing U10 based on ukuthi udlala as a winger. Ngeke understand ukuthi udlala as a winger or udlala as in because of he's playing that position at the left right side la kuna udlala ama winger khona. So the problem is this, what I saw. We had Umabuye in the middle of the park, we had Undlovu first half, we had Chislet. So Chislet is that player ukuthi akakhona ukudlala central. He can't play central whereby ukhona ukuthi ajoine i-link between Umabuye no Ndlovu so that azokhona ukuthi ayenzeni asiphe lawo ama passes. U10 waka Chislet is different to ama 10 abanye abantu kwamanye ama team. He's playing U10 in a different way whereby he's sort of like a winger man. Uthanda ukudlalela side kakhulu and then you get confused ukuthi okay lo muntu udlala as a winger udlala as a 10. So different. Enye into futhi engiyibonile. And why I'm saying that I think uDa Cruz is playing Chislet based on his strength side. Based on his strength side to say okay central you can't play. You can't even link with the midfielders. So let me take you go on the side, play as a winger, ukhona mithi ukuthi udlale no Batman so that we can get those passes. So that's the nice thing engibonile ukuthi okay, uDa Cruz is implementing new things to new players and he's playing the players according to his strengths. But I was happy about Chislet ama passes wide. He can hold the ball, he can start the play, like he's doing everything as number 10 ayenzayo. But if noma bamfaka as a left wing, he can do something for us. I think he can do something for us. So yeah. And another thing that umuntu engimpressa kakhulu. You saw Umnyani. Umnyani is playing as a right back and you know that. But in that game, Umnyani nakakhuphuka. Azosiza ubani? Azosiza umfundo. Umfundo will cut in angene ngaphakathi. Umnyani ukhuphuka umnyani ukufaka ama cross eboxini. Ama cross mawangene eboxini. It's either thola uSilva abe khona because uSilver vele angithi udlala ezu number 9 lapha no strike ukuthi mina sihlale boxing because uSilver akekho umnandi vele enyaweni akekho umuntu ongayazi lento leyo so I was impressed ukuthi umnyana ukuthi okay let me assist umfundo wena khatha ini mfethu if usi ubona abanye ama player ubona ispace pass opponent yakho siya phambili I was so impressed about umnyana iwe great futhi akamnyana iwe great akamnyana ningi impressed about him and then other players umabuye bafethu hayi umabuye khohlo loyana inkunzi yazi mabathi inkunzi without umabuye ku Kaizer Chiefs without umabuye kule midfielder yabafethu I don't think ukuthi singaba imidfielder yethu ngaba ne stability or imidfielder yethu ngaba stable umabuya box to box you know him uyazi ukumaka uyazi ukustart play like leyo player leli ukuthi thina as Kaizer Chiefs we didn't have a player like that in the middle because of nesi strike lasifuna umuntu ukuthi angakhona ukuthi asidlalise but umabuya for mina I think he did a great job ubonile nale assist le ayishayile le pass ayishayile ayigaya uDuba njengoba uDuba zokho so those are the players guys ukuthi ama player dala swanile ku Chiefs but we didn't get them but I think umabuya futhi he needs someone ukuthi uzokhona ukumcompliment because we can't ukuthi sibeke umthwalo kumabuya ayiwali lapha ku midfield because ngifeel understand ukuthi first we had Undlovu we had umabuya Undlovu ngine problem ngayi because somewhere Undlovu angadlala 90 minutes guys agijima ground lonke kunalento sibona yenza but the only thing engiyazi ngoNdlovu any take ilwesha ayakapa lo muntu akadlala he will play 90 minutes without doing anything so uyamstraff umabuya ukuthi umabuya kumele aye phambili abuye futhi azo defend we understand but ngibonile ukuthi okay uDaCruz ubonile ukuthi okay Undlovu akanyiphi lento engiyifunayo and he even got a yellow card and guys I want us to speak about Undlovu ne Kaizer Chiefs fans we love Undlovu he player lethu nani but Undlovu uzophula ama player la ku PSL Undlovu need ukukhuzwa as mina ngiyi she's fan kanje Undlovu unid ukukhuzwa guys uzophula ama play why I'm saying that there was a tackle Undlovu ahamba ayokapa umuntu ehafini yakhe he got a yellow card so in my mind I was like wena Ndlovu kusho ukuthi ulo abantu labo ukuthi all the time masingene groundini uzoshodisa because of unnecessary tackle that tackle was very unnecessary lo tackle ka Duyenza we understand so Ndlovu ngicela ukuthi ukulungise mfethu dlala ibhola ukukapa ama player because uzogcina so end up amanye ama player ama career aphela because of wena ufuna ukudlala ibhola ufuna ukudlala karate so yeah so that's the thing and then I like to ukuthi uDaCruz what he did he saw ukuthi okay Ndlovu is not giving that thing so khona I'm change athi ngifake bantu ngifaka umthetho ake uyavala lapha emuva it gives umaboy ukuthi okay aye phambili that's why you get those passes that's why ubonele assist le ukuthi uDubaza azayithole uyithole because of umthetho unomsebenzi wani kumele ukuthi ayenze lapha you win ama jewels ereal kumele ube right uswina lamabhola masluza amabhola and then izophuma buyi ukuthi kwenze kumele adlaleke lapha then akhona ukuthi aye phambili ukuthi akhona ukudlalisa ama players wakhe afaka umthetho we had stability lapha midfield so the difference is that ukuthi sometimes midfielder yethu will think ukuthi ayikho functional no it's because of based on pairing maybe maba pair amanye ama player akuhlangani yabona khona into engahlangani so it's that thing so guys those are the things I think I'm happy about that thing the whole match enzakele abafethi Kruger yona nezifele asikisho njalo iKruger nesifele and I think into enza ukuthi nakhona iChiefs idominate le game lana iKruger United guys nazo isiphumela ku NFD I'm not saying the bad way isiphumela ehlathini iKruger United yaza la ku PSL isifele le team lana ngizibonele Obit College Park 2 lapha Obit yophana ngama point iKruger United but I think Kruger must buy players if bafuna ukusurvive ukubhethu iPremiership they must buy players then so that they can compete but if bafuna ukala ukuthi bahlala nalama player lawo bazoba nenkinga ama player ama team amaningi azobashaya ama team amaningi azobashaya so yeah guys those are the things that I saw what happened on the match the other thing I want us to talk about Umfundo Vilakazi I know Star Boy say Kaizer Chiefs all the fans bayamthanda nani in that match he played very well for mina but as umfundi inkinga yakhe yini sometimes ufuna ukwenza too much and ezinye izinto you're not supposed to do it unnecessary do the basic football guys mawuthola ibhola bheka ama player bheka ama player mawungabe wamakanga uyaphasa uyaphambili you understand so sometimes I feel ukuthi wenza too much maka ngakhiphana lento yobukasi man unobukasi football kakhulu so izinto kumele ukuthi azifikise lapho nalapho another thing defensively akekho mnandi vele ukudefend asinto yakhe offensively umnandi those passes nani nokukhatha in but if umfundo makafuna ukuthi abe yi face of iKaizer Chiefs kumele kukhona izinto kumele ukuthi azimprove. But I think ngoba uDa Cruz ukhona uyabelievela kule nizwe nalaphana asho ukuthi okay this season yakaya kaMfundo umfundo naye makamamela ama instruction for umcoach ukuthi okay ucoach makathi do this do that ungathathi ama fleece game walethe laphana mfethu because thina sifuna ukubona successful uRilo hambile bafethu so you need ukuthi usithwale ezi Chiefs because some of the thing abantu bazothi umfundo sasemncane ukuthi athwale iChiefs uRilo ukhona ukuthwala iOrlando Pirates there's nothing wrong ukhona ukuthwala iOrlando Pirates uRilo so umfundo can do that ayikho into engathi izomhlula lapho so yeah those are the things I saw about umfundo makangalungisa lapho right bafethu uDuba ngifuna sikhulumeni ngoDuba you know guys I was telling people ukuthi iChiefs I know abantu bazothi Chiefs scout ama player ngekho right but Chiefs when scouting ama striker I think they are good we had uNikovic nakakho na uSilva nokuSilva ibhola ngalazi Maripa uyalazi yakho and uSilva washo ukuthi yena suMessi umfakele ibhola eboxini uyakho umsebenzi westrike istrike kumele score ama goal not to play offensive football we have uDuba can play as a winger siyakhona ukuthi simdlalise ezi striker uyakho so uDuba I like your aggression ya Duba I mentality ya Duba makangene groundini iwe creator kaDuba makangene groundini and for mina I feel ukuthi uDa Cruz isikhathi masesiya uDuba ile player lo ukuthi mayele bamdlalise not ukuthi aqale game aqale off the bench yabona so because most of the games kade so we can see na last season we won ama game uDuba aqala off the bench so he can read I game ukuthi okay kwenzakalani kula kumele ngenzeni la kumele ngenzeni so he scored 2 goals uscore ibrace uDuba so yeah I'm happy for uDuba he must keep up mafethu ashayela into lesadimwe ngazo so yeah those are the things engicabanga ukuthi nawayenzeka so do you have comments or any people who can ask me questions mangebe ngekho ngidlulele phambili
I didn't get the comment you know the people love you but the real test will come let's not be overconfident
yeah the real test will come let's not but I think for me I will answer it for nanemtu kinana gore we need to based on the performance that we had on Saturday you understand so players need confidence mfethu so and for the game elene re dlala mole the player that winner it over for confident ya gore okay are get to the next game we can do this so I don't see any problem gore why not players that ka be confident so no I think it's a good thing but ke opinion ya ga ke nka se iphikisa
Barry Mabuye is underrated
yeah Mabuye is underrated Mabuye is that guy if Mabuye was not there ne re tlo struggle when I'm too like midfield ya rona nje ne tlo ba midfield so understanding le creativity I don't think ne re tlo ba le so that guys ke mothaluring is very very important for us midfielding ele ya rona u important for Kaizer Chiefs as a whole wabo so ke a tseba batho ba bangata ba mfidi flowers tsa but na as Lerato Mabuye ke tlo mo fa di flowers tsa ramnida o tlisa impact right go team
abatile flowers batla le botlo rena le comment from Prasketch are we want Kasi football to be there it's our culture
we want Kasi football to be there I'm not denying that because ratseba ke re Chiefs ki team ele na le flair and all the stuff but sometimes clamere be calculative how we do that Kasi thing there are games whereby we don't need that thing you understand I can say right now we are playing M108 wa for half from 2 wabo sharp so we don't need those mistakes teng Kasi football maybe teng but we need to be calculative for resebedisa jwang I'm not saying go tla meska bateng you get my point yeah
and then Mavula are now siyavumelana ngomfundo overconfidence will kill him
exactly that's what I'm saying so mfundo ifaka lukisa ntho I think utlo ba sharp yeah because sometimes lena ka rona lo dlalela crowd ale ba le go ground ke eng ntho tlame ayetse wabo so those are the things o tlamele gore a di lukise guys nyabonga for ama comment wenu ukingenjanani so it was good nice for the comment at least namhlanje sithukwanga samba nyelayini so yeah so guys there's something that I want us to talk about in that match ne engidistebe kancane guys we have uMiguel and I want to clarify this thing ngicela ukuthi masama fans ben fair we supposed to be fair we are complaining abantu bakuthola ukuthi no uNdlovu is playing a nice football ngokukhahlela ama player nani we are not disputing that but we have uMiguel naye uMiguel at the back kunalana akaphana ngamabhola guys ngithi yolo kunalana akashaya ikarati ngathi uMiguel wenzani guys so uMiguel umunye umuntu naye kumele simkhole into order Miguel plus angithi ubrother ama yellow card, you know, yellow card, red card into zakhe lezo. So Miguel naye umunye umuntu kumele ukuthi afixe ama mistake wakhe at the back uzoscosta guys. If Miguel is not ready, we have uMloyisani bangamfaka lapha ayenza izinto zenzeke. uMloyisani samazi nakadlala la kuBetway Premiership, we know izinto are capable of. Siyazi ukuthi uMloyisani into angayiletha lapho Kaizer Chiefs. So Miguel aka minimize ama mistake wakhe and ayeke lento ama yellow card. Lento ama yellow card izoscosta because sizoba nama game crucial la kumele ukuthi sinidi win. Uthola ukuthi uthola abantu abafana naMiguel bahlezi babhooked all the time. Bahlezi babhooked. Same thing efana noNdlovu. Same thing efana noNdlovu. Ndlovu my guy, hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukungenela ngifuna ukubhesha. Sometimes indlame ayingene la kunecessary khona. Shaya ama tackle la kunecessary khona. La ubona ukuthi okay la sokunzima la ikho into singathi. Not ukuthi sometimes you get booked ufuna ukukhaba ama player and then lento le as a team izoscost isikhathi masesiya because abondlovu abantu laba ukuthi will get amanye ama team ukuthi asifakele pressure. Basifakele pressure uthola ukuthi uMdlovu ushala ama tackle lawo bamgayile lo card bamgaye red card. Sesashort. So sometimes lana ama fan Chiefs ayinekeni ukuba happy ngalento uNdlovu ayenzayo. uNdlovu into ayenzayo uzobulala ama player ngifuna ukutshela I'm still repeating that. So Miguel and Ndlovu minimize lento lizenzayo guys. Yellow card, get booked, lalento ukuthi nishama ama tackle unnecessary. I don't think it's a good thing for us ukuthi ingayenzakala. If bangafuna ukudlala uMloyisani ukhona singamfaka simkhiphe uMiguel. Mshutotho lapha. Umtasi ngikhona lapha na if uNdlovu naye afila ukuthi yena akafuna ukudlala ibhola, we can replace him. Angithi na umtasi ngasimbonile nakadlala lapha ku Toyota Cup. Ugood and ball. Hardly lose the ball. And then again ngithi la ma player nyana maybe nakadlala safe lo langa lelo because of angafuni ukwenza ama mistake. So yizo lezo zinto lezo guys ama player lawo I2 engicabanga ukuthi guys kumele ukuthi minimize lezo zinto lezo engikhuluma ngazo. So yeah guys, MTN 8 years sidlala no Golden Arrows. The last time we play with Golden Arrows I think we won. Noma swinning ngegoal offside asikho lapho. So we are playing with the Golden Arrows on Sunday at 6:00. So guys, can you tell me ngicabanga ukuthi la kule MTN 8 lesi uzoyenza kanjani uDakhuzi uzoyenza izinto zenzakale? Are you going to win the match? And remember ngithi manqoba ngithi wambili so kunokhutho umuza lapha no Golden Arrows upitso dlala. So I mean I think we are capable of ukushaya Golden Arrows. I think we are capable of ukushaya Golden Arrows. And Golden Arrows usikhwisha kasekho. Nokuyi-threat usquish wambila udlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, and then there are some players abawathengisile lapha Golden Arrows, but because kunokhuthu omusha usafuna ukubheka ukuthi ama player wakadlala kanjani, usafuna ulethe formation enter. I think we can capitalize on that ukuthi upitso dlala lo musha usafuna ukwenzani, usafuna ukustructure i-team isilungu, hey usafuna ukustructure i-team. So guys, I think we can do better. We can do better. Me, I have a belief ukuthi MTN 8 let's win. But you guys, you can tell me ukuthi over the weekend, ngiyacabanga ukuthi MTN 8 songakhona ukuwina, see to the next round, or it's gonna be a difficult game. It's gonna be a difficult game between Golden Arrows, and because Golden Arrows, it's a ball. A team edlalayo. Iyadlala iGolden Arrows, iyadlala i-team lokuthi khona ukunokha ibhola, i-team lokuthi khona ucontrol ibhola, i-team lokhona ukuprotect ibhola, and they can score also. They can score. So I think we can do a good thing about the matches so dlala with MTN 8. Mara from I think guys are shy Golden Arrows score prediction maybe ngathi thunyana ke lapho, but ngangitshela ukuthi what do you think about lo matches so dlala over the weekend? Mtu ba renka MTN 8 ra enka ka poja ndi commenting.
Mvelo are both teams have new coaches, so anything you're saying about them applies to you too.
Yeah, both teams have same coaches, but I think because Golden Arrows, I think Golden Arrows na sintinally the coaches saying when they were not doing currently because ngoba ngithinele na muthathe bangkhoya Golden Arrows go di player di dlala jwang, but for Pitso dlala it over test. It's a first test for him to say okay bam appointile as a coach ke into at wetlisa, but to come to Dakhuz, at least Dakhuz na le di glimpse re boning from preseason Toyota Cup le game e re tswang yona bo, so ke na le confident go okay it's not going to be an easy game, but re tla bona gore Chiefs tlo etsa jang, but I still believe we are going to.
Doesn't the fact that Alaibona Golden Arrows during preseason and you don't know gore coach o dlala jwang make them more dangerous than Chiefs?
Yeah, more nka dumelana le wena, but I think Yeah, mo nka dumela le bana right ne because I bona but ke nagana gore we have played with Golden Arrows last season like when ntse re khutsa ke se 3 cards lento. It was not difficult for us. Nere sharp even though la ne re dlala polo e ya find bo. So based on the records tse ne re dlala lona Golden Arrows, I think Golden Arrows as team e loreng ka re fa difficult ka ba team e loreng ka ba difficult based on the record re dlala lona. Obo as team e loreng itlo fa hard time go ratse re dlala lona Sky Stellenbosch ban ratse re dlala Steelers re dula re but Golden Arrows di matches ne re dlala lona last season ne re di win. So I think enough for net of advantage until even though the kunali kucha much.
Beneficious JR, if Chiefs can play the way they played previously, they will definitely win that game. Remove Miguel.
Thank you. I think Kimankai?
Beneficious J.
What's about Polaskan? Yeah.
All are beneficious.
Yeah, what's about Polaskan? Remove Miguel. That's it.
And then Renali, Rally Nation wise. Duba is good, but we need serious strikers. The likes of Bartman, he's able to do a Mokwena and Kekana thing.
When I was saying, there's no way. I was saying, Duba is, listen, Palakir himself was striker Kuko goals. Himself was striker Kuko goals. So what more do you want? So what I convert that to was on Mfetulete. There's no way. And it was playing there as a midfielder there. So different people with different positions. So I brother before type go was please.
And then Magneto said our Chiefs will hit them hard with triangles.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that trying. I think that I saw that. I saw that thing. I think it was between Mfundo and Batman. Who's this? Silva. Yes, Silva. So yeah. So abona khena ke rata bua bat paso re bue bolo. So bat basa wakaning. So I shoot it sasela pumtu but yeah guys, thanks for the comment. Ngiyabona sa engage kahle lapha inhlamba azikho bafethu enike nizafuleni inhlamba kancane izinto singafuni ukuzibona. So yeah guys, those are the things I think ukuthi Chiefs have done this weekend. We'll see over the weekend masidlala M10 8 ukuthi kuzoba kanjani. And then yeah, thanks guys, thanks for engaging with us. Engaging with me, sikhuluma ibhola, analyze ibhola, sikhuluma ukuthi Chiefs izinto izinto kumele ukuthi bazilungise, how did they play? But for me I think it was a stand up performance. Njengoba Tesla neKhuga United, let's hope ukuthi amajita i-confident ikhona lapho because angithi you know ukuthi ku football ukuthi ma wina uba ne-confident lento le iya build up i-confident to say the next game we want more, the next game we want more. So guys, yeah, for me uLerato Khosi Queen ngizonibona next week. Guys, please don't forget Omni Audio Africa. Adios.
Yeah, Mara, before Tsamaya, you still haven't answered our question. Who is the face of Kaizer Chiefs?
I can give Nkafa Mfundo for now, but kinale disturb nyana kanyana. Mfundo ka ba face of Kaizer Chiefs if I look at the mistakes that take buang ka tsona. You get what I'm saying? Akaba the face of Kaizer Chiefs I look at the mistakes that it's if I can career is serious because ngalo feel gore anki career is serious. Anki football serious phone wabo. So if you can apply those things gore anke career serious in fact you can go ground do the basic things ska lalela TikTok or Instagram or go lalela crowd even though but bana le gore bomfundo tlame ba kaleme ball and all the stuff wabo. So but he must do the things to lo re tlame di be sharp go ground. Hence I'm saying gore flights there but be calculative for go etsa to jwa. We understand. But for now since coach up believe la kwena I think mtu akaetsa sharp. Akaba yona face of Kaizer Chiefs and it will benefit the Chiefs of them right. But le na tama etse span ko ground. So yeah, ke nana gore mfundo ka ba face ya Kaizer Chiefs.